Hello everybody, this is JDV. In this video I'm going to show you how to color your model. All you need to do is go to UV editing, and now right here is this is where you put your palette, and this is another view to model your model. You can move it any way you want to make it fit. And once we get the palette, I'll show you how to color it. First you need to get the palette. You go to shading on top here, and you have the kind of a render view, pre-render. Over here you put your palette, and over here is the nodes. Now, whatever you do, do not delete this. Even if you delete this, it will not work. But you can always get it back up by clicking one of these buttons up here. So all you need to do is to download any kind of palette. You want a palette like this, that's square like this, or it won't work so far. You just drag it and drop it in the node area. Okay. Now once you have that, you can zoom in, and here is the palette I made. You want it to closest, and you want to drag it, the color button, to the base color button. So you click it, and you drag the curve to base color. Now you have something like this, but it doesn't. That's just the palette showing that it's working. Now once that's done, you go back, and over here you can click over here, click on your palette, and it'll show it here as well. Another option, I don't know what that does yet, but it's there. Now we go to UV editing, where we were before, and we click on this mode. Select all of it. Now we click on what side you want to color. You click this, and this square here is the color picker. So in order to make it smaller, to make it fit the color you want, you have to shrink it down. So you hit A and hit S to scale it. You drag it down to that size. Now you can move it with G. You click on it first. Hang on. You hit A first, then G. Then you can pick the color what you want. Let's say a blue. And first you can turn on options to show it. Sometimes it will show it. You just got to give it a minute to work. I'll come back to you and show you how it works. Okay, welcome back. I figured out the problem. Since I'm using the newest version of Blender, they changed it so it doesn't show the color on here anymore. But you can go to texture paint, and it shows the color right here, what I used. It's a blue all over. So you go back to UV editing, select all of it, hit A. We can scale it again, hit G to move, and just make it like an orange color. So I'll show it here. Now it's an orange. So that's a new thing with Blender, a new version, which I didn't know why I did that. Before it was an option. There it is, still here. I was looking for this option here. And also when you do this, when you're on texture and that, make sure you have both of these on and drag the thing all the way out to make it more, more detail. That way it looks alright. So it's not too bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the wait. It might take a second for you when you watch a video, but like I said, I'm using the newest version of Blender, and they changed some things. And don't get me wrong, I'm still learning it myself. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.